Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. With crypto being more accessible than ever, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll break it down clearly so you can follow along without any hassle. First, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed on your device. You'll also need Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet and a verified Coinbase account. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the Bitcoin section. You'll see your current balance here. That's what you'll be withdrawing from. Step 2. Switch over to your Coinbase app or website. Navigate to your Bitcoin wallet and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to prevent sending your Bitcoin to the wrong place, which could mean losing it forever. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Send button for your Bitcoin. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the network fees. They can fluctuate based on Bitcoin's congestion, so aim to withdraw when fees are low to save money. Step 4. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the amount, address, and fees look correct. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a transaction ID, which you can use to track it. After that, sit tight. Blockchain confirmations can take a few minutes to an hour or more in 2025, depending on network conditions. Once it's done, head back to Coinbase and refresh your wallet to see your Bitcoin arrive. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now in Coinbase, ready for trading or storage. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication on both platforms. If you run into any issues, check the help sections or contact support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Let's keep learning together.